Welcome once again. Welcome to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Looking at the board, we are given 2 points and we are asked to find their magnitude. This simply means that we are asked to find the distance between 2 points, M and N. So what do? The magnitude is equal to the square root of x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Now, looking at this point, minus 3 is equal to x1 and 8 is equal to y1. Here, this point, 5 is equal to x2 and this point is equal to y2. So we are going to substitute these values into this. So it simply means that y1 is minus 3 minus x1 is minus 3 and our x2 is 5 all square plus y2 is 8. Sorry, y1 is 8. So we write 8 minus y2 is minus 7. So definitely here is going to be minus 7 all square. Close the bracket. So what do? Minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8. Minus 8 raised to the power of 2, that is square, will give us positive 64. So we have the whole of this as positive 64 plus, now let's see what we are going to have here. 8 minus, let's first of all deal with 8 minus 7 will give us 15. So 15 square will give us 225. 15 square will give us 225. Okay, now if we are to add these two numbers together, 64 plus 225, what will be the answer? 64 plus 225, we are going to get 289. So the square root of 289 will give us what?
Will give us 17.
So therefore, our answer is 17. Let's use units. 17 units. So our final answer is 17. So meanwhile, thanks for watching. Do well to follow the page. Do well to like and share and comment. Thanks for watching and God bless you.